Because we're filming. Joe Kramer. What hole are we on here? 13? 13, Parry Sound Golf Club Staff Day. Go, Joe. That was awesome.
You can't drive that far. It'll be rolling before it gets to him. We gotta throw them off their game anyway. If you hit one of them in the head, it's one less team member they have.
Team strategy here for the Ridge. Here he goes. Here we go. The intern. It all hinges, employment all hinges on this shot. Yeah, that could not be good for your employment. Oh, come on. What? I'm wasting filming here. Come on. Don't hit him. I need everybody for work tomorrow, so don't hit anybody. Unless you feel like working 18 hours tomorrow. Well, you'll learn. Where the hell did it go? Oh, somebody just went down.